Ikinya ria thirikari gucererwo kurekereria muigana wa ciringi bilioni 2 iria ciabatie kurihwo ene migunda itura-ini ria mutomo gatundu ya muhuro niguo metikirie kwaramio kwa university ya Mamangina niguo muhinga munene hari gukinyanira gwa tabarira eno. Aikari na atongoria ni matetetie thirikari ni gwikururia hari kurekereria kigina giki aria mahutitio ni waki wa tabarira eno magitaririo uria makoretwo magitagika amu mubango wa guthama kana gutheremia kuria maikaraga na wako fofanire
no tu appreciate to twagituire kwirwo tene soonest possible. We don't know how soon is soon. Ko no to appreciate magimit that obligation commitment iria ithuĩ tweheire kuigithia migura kundu kungi no to appreciate nigetha tutigakorwo twikiria turia hirinyirire kuni undu wa kiria resources iria twaneanire.
Aikari aya maugite ikinya ria migunda yao gwikirwo gatheti-ini ya thirikari rikoretwo rithararitie mihango yao ya muthenya kwa miaka 2 riu amu matitikiritio gwaka kana gutheremia migunda yao.
Ni tukoretwo twina thina tondu tutingihanda muti ndungiaka kindu tondu wiharirio guthie riu angiteithio amwe ni twoire migunda yene tukigirira kindu kinini ati ni turathama na ihenya riu horo cio ni rari na ndire muno.
Mwena-ini wa watongoria aria maritie ni moritie thirikari kuhika kurekereria kigina kiu niguo guteithia university no kwirugamia wega.
Turahoya thirikari eke pati yayo ipirori yayo eheane mbeca nigetha ona aikari o enyewe mahote gwikuria na gwibanga uturo uria maguthie na mbere.
They were promised they would be paid last year during the month of May to June before the closure of the financial year. It did not happen. This is another financial year that is coming to a conclusion very soon. I do not know whether you have factored our people in the supplementary budget. I hope you have. At least you give them something.
Frederick Dabukina uria ni mwandiki ministry-ini ya githomo augite ene migunda othi aria maheanire migunda yao kuri thirikari ni mekurihwo na ihenya ota uria kwahoteka.
The government is going to do all it can to be able to ensure that all the landowners who have already surrendered their land to this university college are paid as soon as possible.
Handu-ini Hakameme TV kuma university-ini ya Mamangina gicigo-ini kia ubunge gia gatundu ya muhuro kaunti-ini ya Kiambu ritwa riakwa ni Mathew Ndungu.